guys, welcome back. Today I would be showing you something which is very cheap, but it's still a very good product. I was for the last 2 months looking out for a mechanical keyboard, but unfortunately because of the cost I couldn't buy it. And I, being an IT guy, I'm using a keyboard for more than like 8 to 10 hours, and I was very frustrated about it, that I'm still using a membrane keyboard. But then I got my eyes on one of the better keyboards, which is mechanical, which is optical, and it has a lot of gaming features, which was like for me an all-round deal, and that's why I went ahead and bought this. So here it is. This is HP Omen sequencer optical mechanical keyboard. It is at a huge discount. I will be dropping the links in the description. You can go ahead and buy it and just watch for the unboxing in this video. I will definitely make another video for the overall review after using this keyboard, and just watch my channel, which is Tech Life, and enjoy.